Today I'm out here taking out this dying sugar maple and just dropping stuff. We're gonna have to clean up a little bit down there, but not much, and no wood. But just looking at this cut right here, I've been just notching them and pushing them out. If you went ahead and notched this right here, which is this big, right, 30 feet long, hard sugar maple, you went and notched it here and back cut it and hoped it would fly out there, it's not gonna fly out there because the top of that limb has somehow gotten on the back of that limb next to it right there. It's over on the other side. So if you notch this, back cut it, push it over, the butt's gonna fall off and the tip's gonna come down and give you a haircut. Very painful. So the only answer is to go over and pop that thing off over there first before you cut this one off.